Also about a few list methods. We also know that if the object has its own method, so lists are also objects, and so they have a bunch of their methods. I mean, bunch of methods for adding items, for removing items, sorting them, and so on. We will see some of these methods in this video. When we write the name of the list, say list 1, for that we have a list called list 1 with the values from 1 to 5. We write list 1 dot, and we will see all the methods that the list object has here. So we have sort, extend, reverse, append, remove, insert, and so on. So let's start with append. To add a new element at the end of the list, we use append method. So here list1 dot append, and we should give a value, let's say 6, and let's run the program. Okay, we have to print the list first to see the output. So we will print it, print list 1, and now if we run the program, you will see a list 1, but 6 is appended to the end of the list. So this is the output. And what if you have to insert a number in the middle or at a specific position other than the end of the list? This is where the insert method comes into play. For the insert method, we have to give two values. Let's say x and y. So as you can see, the insert method accepts two values. The first one is the index where the value must be inserted, and second one is the value itself. Let's say we have to insert value 0 at the 0th index, or we should say we have to insert -1 at the 0th index. So that means 0 minus 1. So now if you run, then we have to print the list. Now if you run the program, you will see that -1 is inserted at the 0th index of the list. This is how insert works. Now you can also remove a particular number from the list. For that we use the remove method. We have to pass the value to the method. Let's say we have to remove -1, or let's say we have to remove 6. So if you remove 6 and print the list, now let's run the program. You will see that the number 6 is removed from the list. Now let's say you want to remove all the items in the list. For this, we use the clear method. So instead of remove, we will use clear. And for clear, we don't have to pass any argument. And print the list and run the program. Okay, run the program. Now you'll see the list has no items. That means the list is empty. Wait. Yeah. Now you can see the list is empty. This is the use of clear method. We can also find out if a particular item is present in the list or not. We have one operator called in that is in that can be used to find out if a particular item is present in the list or not. Use the in operator to find out if the element the item 4 is present in the list 1. Uh, what you have to remember is that in is an boolean operator and the output will be a boolean value. So if you run the file, you'll see true as output. Let's say you have to find out if 10 is present in list 1. The output will be yes, that's right. The output will be false because 10 is not present in the list. Another method that we can use to find out the length of the list is len, L-E-N. The len method finds out the length of the list, or rather, I would say, the number of items that are present in the list. If we run this program, you will see that the output is 5 because we have 5 elements or items in the list. So these are the few of the most used list methods.